2024 is just started, and if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, there's no better time to start than now. However, the biggest factor that will determine your success is the niche you choose. Luckily for you, I've researched hundreds of YouTube channel ideas, and in this video I'll show you the best 6 niches that don't require you to show your face or be on camera. And you can make thousands of dollars with this niche. And all niche is best, but my favorite is number 4 and number 6. Before talking about that, let's talk about our first niche, which is the scary stories. There are a lot of channels in this niche like Mr. Nightmare, who found scary and horror stories and had grown a following of over 6 million subscribers. They simply find dark video clips and add a deep voiceover on top to make it sound epic. You can simply ask ChatGPT to come up with scary stories. If you get it right, you can also make up to $42,000 per month. Niche number 2 is software tutorial. Brett and Tech is a great example of a successful channel in this niche. They make videos related to software and have grown to over 1 million subs in the past years. You can also do this by recording your screen with free tools like OBS Studio and create tutorials on the best software in different categories. They are making well over 5K per month with an average views of 1.5 million. The beauty of this niche is that you can make videos specific to just one software such as Canva or CapCut. Like this guy here called Luca with 144K subs. This works best if the tool is a free one and has a lot of users. You'll simply create videos on problems users may face when using that tool. Niche number 3 is business stories. There are thousands of businesses out there to startups, and there's always good and bad stories to talk about. The Magnates Media is a fast-growing channel in this niche with over 1 million subs, and what they do is to research interesting stories about businesses or their owner and deliver it in a documentary-style video. If you are able to build a perfect channel, for you can also get 5 million views every month and make over 20K in ad revenue alone. Niche number 4 is make money online. This one is probably the most profitable niche in this video because of its high CPM. This means you can make more money per 1,000 views compared to other niches, and you don't need to show your face. Doing this Cash Pro is an example of channels in this niche with over 100K subs, and what they do is to find stock footage and record their screens while showing people how to earn online. Niche number 5 is related to the previous one, which I'll call make money online with AI. You've probably come across this channel called 10x Income, as they've grown very fast over the past few months. They don't show their face in the videos, rather they use stock footage and screen recording similar to the previous channel, but they focus on showing ways to make money using AI to compete in this niche, though you need to be able to show people results as that will make them trust you. And your advice, the earnings potential here is huge, as you can easily make over 10K monthly. Niche number 6 is history. This is an evergreen niche that is currently underserved because there's a lot of stories to talk about from the past and different angles to take on them. Alternate History Hub creates videos in this niche and has gained 2.2 million subs over the years. They use these characters with relevant stock footage to put their points across, and with an average of 2 million views they are making over $10,000 every month. So this is the 5 best YouTube profitable niche which you can start for now and make money online. And if this video a little bit helpful for you, so you make sure like this video and subscribe to the channel to learn how to make money online. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, peace.